How to share a Google Drive link publicly. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you share Drive link publicly from your Google ID. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to open any browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, you'll have to open the Drive here. Alright, click on Drive. Okay, after you open Drive on your system, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just choose or select that picture or file whom you want to share as an publicly from your Google Drive. So simply select one files from here. Alright, so in my case, I have selected this random image from yours. So to share this picture as an public link, you'll have to click on three dot over here, and from your click on share. Okay, so from the section and the section general access, click on restricted, and from your click on anyone with the link. Okay, so once you have updated the permission, you'll have to click on viewer option, and from here you can as usual choose the role of that person or individual who will open this link. So simply from here you can choose viewer, commenter or editor, and after you give access from here, you'll have to click on copy link over here, and after you copy the link, from now you can easily share the link of your Google Drive publicly to anyone. So this is the easiest and simplest method to share Google Drive link publicly. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.